Did you know that the #1 cause of swirls and scratches in your car's paint isn't the open road? It's bad washing habits. But what if you could get a professional, touch-free wash right in your own driveway? Today, we're diving into the absolute best pressure washers, specifically for car detailing. We're going to break down the power, the features, and the value to help you find the perfect match for that showroom shine. All the links for these amazing machines are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Let's get into it! Number 8. CRAFTSMAN 2100. Electric Pressure Washer. Kicking off our list is the CRAFTSMAN CMEPW 2100, a fantastic all-arounder for any homeowner. This machine is all about balance, giving you a solid 2100 psi and 1.2 GPM, which is the perfect amount of power to strip away road grime without being aggressive on your paint. What makes it stand out is how incredibly quiet it is. Seriously, you won't be waking up the neighbors with this one. It comes with a full set of nozzles, including a soap applicator, and everything packs away neatly, right on the unit. While it's not the most powerful on our list, its quiet operation and user-friendly design make it a super reliable and stress-free choice for weekly car washes and other light-duty jobs around the house. Number 7. Greenworks Pro 3000 PSI Brushless Electric Pressure Washer. Now, if you're thinking, I want power but without the hassle of gas, then you need to see the Greenworks Pro. This thing is an absolute beast, pushing out a PWMA-certified 3000 PSI with a brushless motor that's built to last. It's housed in a rugged steel frame that feels incredibly durable, like something you'd find in a professional's garage. Compared to the CRAFTSMAN, you're getting a huge jump in power, which is awesome for tackling filthy wheel wells or pre-treating your car with a thick layer of foam. The trade-off? It is heavier and a bit louder. But if raw electric power is what you're after, this Greenworks model is a top contender. Number 6. Westinghouse WPX 3000. 200. Gas Pressure Washer. Alright, it's time to bring out the big guns with our first gas-pounded model, the Westinghouse WPX 3200. With a roaring 3200 psi and 2.5 GPM, this machine will obliterate any dirt you throw at it. This is the kind of power you need for not just cars, but for deep cleaning driveways, decks, and siding. Of course, being gas-pounded means it's much louder and requires more maintenance than the electric models we've seen. For car detailing, you'll need to use the wider-angle nozzles to avoid damaging the paint. So, who is this for? If you have a lot of heavy-duty cleaning to do and want one machine that can handle everything, the Westinghouse offers unmatched power for the price. Number 5. PATOOLIO 4200 PSI Electric Power Washer. The PATOOLIO pressure washer is all about delivering huge power in a tiny package. It claims a massive 4200 PSI, and while the real-world number might be a bit lower, users say it still packs a serious punch. What's really cool is that it comes with a foam cannon right in the box, which is a must-have for getting that thick, soapy lather that lifts dirt safely. It's incredibly lightweight and portable, making it a breeze to move around your car. Compared to the bulkier Greenworks or Westinghouse, this one is much easier to store and handle. For a budget-friendly price, you get a ton of power and a key detailing accessory included. Number 4. LWQ 4200 PSI Electric Pressure Washer. You, the customer. That's me. Next up is the LWQ Electric Pressure Washer, another lightweight champion that boasts a huge 4200 PSI rating. Much like the PATOOLIO, it offers incredible power for its size and price, making it perfect for blasting away mud and grime. It includes 4 different nozzles and its own foam cannon, giving you amazing value straight out of the box. Its main advantage is its sheer convenience. It's light, easy to assemble, and has a long cord and hose for great reach around your vehicle. It might not have the brand recognition or the robust build of a Kärcher or Greenworks, but if you want maximum power and accessories for the lowest possible price, the LWQ is a very compelling option. Number 3. AIVOL 4800CA Electric Pressure Washer. The AIVOLT pressure washer grabs your attention with its unique, super stable design. It sits low to the ground on 4 swiveling wheels, which means you can pull it around your car without any fear of it tipping over. A huge plus. It claims a surge pressure of 4,800 psi, giving you short bursts of serious power, with a steady working pressure that's perfect for car washing. It comes loaded with features like an onboard hose reel and a full set of nozzles, making it feel like a premium, well-thought-out package. For anyone who has ever frustratingly tipped over their pressure washer, this anti-tip design is a game-changer. Number 2. Adams Polish's 2 Electric Pressure Washer. This one is for the detailing enthusiasts. Adams Polish's 2 was designed from the ground up specifically for washing cars. It delivers 2,000 psi and 1.4 GPM, which is widely considered the sweet spot for effectiveness and safety on paint. It doesn't try to be a deck cleaner, it's a specialized tool. The unit is compact, features high-quality fittings, and comes with a snub-nosed sprayer and tips that are perfect for getting into tight spaces like wheel wells and grills. While other washers on this list are more versatile, the Adams 2 is laser-focused on providing the best possible car washing experience. If you're serious about detailing, this is built for you. Number 1. Kärcher K1000 700 Cube Electric Pressure Washer. And at our number 1 spot is the Kärcher K1000 700 Cube. Why is it number 1? Because it is the perfect blend of performance, quality, and compact design. With a CETA-certified 1700 psi, you know you're getting honest, reliable power that's incredibly safe for your car's finish. The build quality is fantastic, with metal hose connections where others use plastic, and its cube design is ridiculously easy to store. It's quiet, has a handy foot pedal on/off switch, and comes with a turbo nozzle for tougher jobs. It may not have the highest PSI on this list, but for car detailing, it has the right PSI, combined with the quality and trust of the Kärcher brand. And the winner is? So, after looking at all these incredible options, which one takes the crown? For the best overall pressure washer for car detailing, the winner is the Kärcher Q1000 700. Strikes the perfect balance. It's not overpoweringly strong, so you don't risk damaging your paint, yet it's powerful enough to clean effectively. Its outstanding build quality, compact size, and user-friendly features make it an absolute joy to use for your weekend washes. While the Adams 2 is a close second for dedicated detailers, the Kärcher offers a bit more versatility for other household tasks, without compromising on its car cleaning excellence. What do you think of my pick? Do you own any of these? Let me know your favorite in the comments below. And that's a wrap. I hope this guide helped you find the perfect pressure washer to keep your car looking brand new. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell so you don't miss what's next. Remember, all the links to every product we talked about today are waiting for you in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.